This week I'm on a road trip to the southern tip of India, passing through various cities and tourist attractions. The first phase of my journey started from Mumbai yesterday, passing through Pune, Kolhapur, Hubli. I finally made it to the tech city Bangalore. If you haven't checked episode 1, there's a link in the description. Today is day 2 and we are accompanied by Prashant from Bangalore. Our plan is to leave Bangalore by 6:30 and reach Trichy by afternoon, so that we can check out the grand Ranganathan Swami temple and leave Trichy for Rameswaram, thus ending today's ride by 8 in the evening.
Okay, so guys, right now it is 6:20. This is day 2 and we are at Bangalore at my friend's place. So this is my friend. You remember that guy? The Himalayan guy. So yes, we are ready to leave. This is day 2. We are going to Rameswaram via Tiruchirappalli to visit the famous Ranganathan Swami temple, I guess. I'll warm up the bike. We didn't sleep a lot. We just got to sleep for just 5 hours, but you know that is okay with the kind of schedule that we are having. This would be the scene for the next couple of days, so that is fine. Yes, thank you, bro. Chalo, Himalayan wala, chalo. Bye. And yes, we have officially left for Tiruchirappalli, the first destination. See, so much it is fogged up here in Bangalore. Oh my god, nothing is visible, guys. You see this? Nothing is visible. Oh my god, man. हाँ? हाँ, वैसे नहीं दिख रहा. Okay. It is feeling like Mahabaleshwar or something. You know, nothing is visible. Only a certain part of a couple of meters are visible. That's it. I can't see Lifestealer. I don't know where he is. So guys, make sure that you turn on your lights at such times and also your indicators, because you know, even the lights are not visible properly, but you know, at least you have some backup for in case of some emergency or something. Bangalore वालों, I like Bangalore. अबे मजबूत भाप निकल रहे मुंह से. देखो तो आदत होगी ना जम्मू की. The fog is not ready to stop, man. This is reducing our speeds. Okay, so we are around 110 kilometers more to go for Salem, and the road is completely fogged up, man. The road is amazing, spectacular road, but you know, see this? The complete road is fogged up. Every place here is fogged up. It's like I'm going to Manali or something with so much big road. So guys, that is the road for Chennai, and this goes to Salem and Kanyakumari. Can you see? Kanyakumari is 590, Madurai is 355, Coimbatore is 277 and Salem is 112. So the road is amazing. The problem is the fog, but it will go in sometime, I believe. And we are having our breakfast here. So let's have some authentic South Indian food, man.
क्या है ये?
अरे ये
अंडे का पराठा. अंडे का पराठा है बे.
पराठा कहाँ पे? पराठा किधर है?
वो मिक्स हो गया.
Nice meeting you. So we are at this toll plaza. We are around 50 kilometers before Salem or Salem, whatever. And the weather is just perfect, man. It is so pleasant. It is not too much cold, it is not hot, it is pleasant. And yeah, the roads, I am really very much appreciating these kind of roads. Maharashtra government, are you listening? Okay, so right now we are at Salem. It is 10 in the morning and we have done around 190 kilometers from Bangalore. So guys, right now we are in this petrol pump. Actually, we didn't realize that we already entered Tamil Nadu, and the petrol is really cheap here. It is like 5 rupees cheaper than the regular rates. So right now it is 68, I guess. Some 140 kilometers, I guess, more for Tiruchirappalli. Here the road is changing now. This road is going to Kanyakumari, Madurai, and we are taking the left. So I guess some city or town called Namakkal, or correct me if I'm wrong, guys. What the fuck was that, man? अरे क्या हो गए बे? रास्ते के नीचे डाल दिया. And one more town in Tamil Nadu. Everybody here is in lungis. See this? Lungis, lungis, lungis. Oh my god. Lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance. Konganadu Institute. Nice. Seems to be a big institute, man. Okay, now this is amazing. This is amazing. You gotta see this, guys. Banana farms everywhere. Also, there are a lot of coconut trees, especially around the side of the road, and also there are farms of coconut trees. So, yeah, if I get to see any, I'll show you guys. But this is amazing. So, 45 kilometers more for Trichy. Control, Uday. Control. That is the coconut farm sort of thing. A specific place only for coconut trees. अच्छा चेक करने के लिए रुका था? अच्छा ऐसे ही.
Come to very fast so that
Yeah. Exactly. Thank you, sir.
Careful, right?
Yeah, we are careful. Tiruchirappalli is how much?
Nearly 40 kilometers.
40 kilometers.
Here the truck drivers are like, they don't see anything.
Thank you. So guys, we have reached Tiruchirappalli, and now we'll go to the temple. See this? Sri Rangam towards the right. There, that's where we are going. Woo! And this is the bank of the river Kaveri, guys. Beautiful. And trust me, guys, you have to do this to feel this. ये दिखाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. ये दिखा इसलिए रहा हूँ ताकि करो ये सब. Alright. So we are above the railway bridge, and boom, you see that? I don't know, that top of the temples. Oh my god. Whoa. Now how about that? Wow, man. This is incredible. Incredible India, guys. Okay, bike is allowed inside. Are you kidding me?
The Sri Ranganatha Swami temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Ranganatha, a reclining form of Vishnu. It is one of the most illustrious Vaishnava temple in southern India, rich in legend and history. A sudden spiritual wave kicked within me as soon as I reached here. The remarkable structures, the typical South Indian ambience, and the devotees truly make this place a worth visit at the southern end. For those who are planning to come here, there's a queue for the main darshan and might take some time as well. And don't forget to visit the viewpoints, it is worth the ticket. By the way, if you are carrying luggage, need not worry about that. There are provisions for that as well. And of course, you can't wear your footwear inside the temple premises. The food in the form of prasad was of a good quality considering the price it was sold at. Okay, so we are going to the viewpoint and we asked change for 2000 rupees and the temple staff was too generous. They gave us chutta including 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note and 15 rupees note. So this is the viewpoint and it goes straight like this. अरे क्या व्यू है यार, वो सब आगे वाला सबसे बड़ा वही है. अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है तमिलनाडु.
यस, पुलिस वालों ने भी पकड़ा.
पुलिस वालों ने पकड़ा, अच्छी चीज़ें बोल के छोड़ दिया. छुट्टा मांगा तो क्या क्या छुट्टा दे दिया, 10-10 का नोट दे दिया.
अरे 2000 का पूरा छुट्टा पहले दिया, फिर बाद में 60 रुपये अलग से दिया.
2000 का छुट्टा दिया, मतलब 15 नोट 100 के दिए, फिर 20 और 10 के 200 रुपए दिए,
वो 50 के अलग से दिए,
50 के अलग से. तो
सब वो सिर्फ चिल्लर देना बाकी रह गया.
चिल्लर देना था तो खुद से ही दे दिया, मतलब टू जनरस मैन. नाइस. सो वी आर एट दिस सेंटर पॉइंट. दिस इज द सेंटर पॉइंट. वाओ, this is so much amazing. You know guys, I used to see this on you know channels, travel shows and on Google, and I marked this place as a star mark, important place on my Google Maps account, and finally I'm here today. Wow yaar, yes, I am happy.
Alright, so we are leaving from Trichy. Maybe we'll stop for some break, refreshment break, and then we'll leave non-stop for Rameswaram. Amazing place, man. It was such a pleasure to visit this place. Oh my god, I just love this one. I don't know what this is called, guys. I'm sorry for that. Please comment down below if you know.
How many years old? 50 years, 100 years. More than 100. More than 100.
Alright guys, so it is time to leave this lovely place. We had some tea and refreshments, water, maza, whatever. So let's jump out. Bye bye. Alright, bye bye this place with love. You know guys, I just love visiting spiritual places. The main reason for that is just not the God. Yes, of course, I visit such places because there is God. That is the main reason. But because there is so much spiritual feeling attached to the city and the people out there. The main problem with this place is that the communication gap. I mean, most of the people don't know English and Hindi is a rare case. So you have to work things out with your hands and with symbols and stuff so that you know they can understand. But apart from that, they are really humble. I like you guys, especially all the Tamil Nadu people who are watching my videos right now. Big thumbs up for you guys. Big thumbs up. So more 172 kilometers to Rameswaram. Guys, this road is small, just a single road for incoming, outgoing, both of them, but it is a cakewalk.
So guys, right now we are 120 kilometers before Rameswaram. 127 kilometers before Rameswaram. बहुत मुश्किल से मिला है पेट्रोल पंप.
Okay, so we are leaving now. We took a pretty long break, around 30-40 minutes. and it was much a needed break because we were continuously riding after Trichy, and also in the morning we rode from Bangalore to Trichy, so yeah, we were stressed out. 120 kilometers more to go for Rameswaram. And by the way guys, till now I have covered 1490 kilometers from Mumbai. Okay, we are somewhere 50 kilometers before Rameswaram, and the roads are pretty unpredictable. They are single, and you know, potholes can come anytime. So yeah, be careful on these roads while in night, especially while in night, guys. Okay, so we have reached Rameswaram, the city, but we need to find a decent room where we have parking as well. I'll get back to you once it's done.
So guys, we are at the hotel, and this is the mirror passage hotel. You can see this. This looks like a mirror, right? So I'll share the name of the hotel with you because we got discount showing our YouTube channel. So right now we are going to have dinner because we didn't eat anything since Trichy.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are not